I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you find an unauthorized charge on your American Express account, disputing it through the app is straightforward. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Amex app. Launch the American Express app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your statements and transactions. Step 2. Locate the transaction. Navigate to the Transactions tab to find the specific charge you want to dispute. Scroll through your recent transactions to identify the fraudulent charge. Step 3. Select the charge. Tap on the fraudulent transaction to view more details. This will open a screen with information about the charge, including the merchant and amount. Step 4. Initiate the dispute. Look for the dispute charge option on the transaction details screen. Tap this button to start the dispute process. You may be prompted to provide additional information. Step 5. Submit your dispute. Follow the prompts to complete your dispute submission. Make sure to review your information before finalizing it. You should receive a confirmation once your dispute is submitted. Remember, if you have any doubts during the process, you can always reach out to customer service for assistance. Good luck, and I hope this helps you resolve any issues quickly.